He's protecting his girlfriend. He lays down. Lexi, come here. You want a treat, Mama? Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Lexi, you want a treat? Where'd she go? Want a treat? You want a treat? Oh, you're scratching. Sit. You want a treat? You want a treat? Sit. Good girl. You want a treat? Sit down. Why are you scratching? I think it's your collar.